Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to um, draw the line of intersection of two cylindrical pipes of the same diameter joined at right angles, and we are going to develop the pipe B. So this is pipe B and this is pipe A. So the first thing you are going to do is you are going to draw a semicircle at any convenient distance away from the plan and elevation and divide them into six equal parts. So I'll do just that. So I'll pick this distance and draw a semicircle. This distance, so you can use any convenient distance. So this is the center. I'll just divide the semicircle. But before I do that, let me I need to have I need to draw a line through the center so I have to mark the center. So I'll draw a semicircle both at the elevation and the plan and divide into six equal parts. So I also draw at the plan. This is a semicircle for the plan. Have it here. And I also divide into six equal parts. So basically, I'll just create lines from the center to each of these divisions to show that it's a semicircle. I don't see any use for these lines anyway, but they are just to kind of show that to denote the divisions. But you can still discard them as the lines I'm drawing right now. You can discard these lines. So after doing that, we will now draw project horizontal line from this point on the plan semicircle to touch the plan of pipe A. So I'll project points to touch the plan of pipe A. So this is the plan of pipe A. I'll project these points to touch the plan of pipe A. So I'll project from here. So this right at the bottom, then for this one, over here, then for the next one, projected, and then finally projected. So these are the points. So I'll also do that for the front elevation too. So we'll project the points upwards, project them, project them, project them. The next stage is we'll number this. Let's number this 0 to 1 to 2 and to 3. So that was the same thing bottom 1 to 3. You can see that this one, when we are looking at it from upwards, this we have the 0, we have the 1. So because this is a cylinder, this is cylindrical, we have the sphere. So this will be 2. This will be 2 here. Looking at it upwards. 0 will be on either side here. When we are looking at it from this 0, we also have 1, 2, and then 3. 1, 2. So because you have shifted your angle to a perpendicular side, so that's why you change the numbering like this. So after doing this, the next step is basically you this line of intersections where they call the circle, you are going to project them upwards. So this one calls the circle here at this point. Then the next calls the circle here. The next calls the circle here. The next calls the circle here. So you are going to project each of these points upwards to the elevation. That's what I'm doing now. So projected this one, no need of projecting this one. This one is a normal line. Project this one up. Project this one upwards. So that's all we need to project. Then the next thing, you are going to look at where they intersect. So now this is for 0. So 0 is right at the top. So 0 intersects 0 here. So this will be the first point. So where does 1 intersect 1? This is 1 at the top. 1 intersects 1 here. It also intersects 1 bottom here. So what of 2? 2 is here. When we trace it upwards, 2 intersects 2 here. It also intersects 2 at the bottom here. We have 3. 3 intersects 3 at each of these lefts, this bottom Alright, and top. So I'm going to draw a line through these points, and it's going to be actually be a straight line. So this is the shape, the intersection. This is what you get when you intersect two cylinders of equal diameter, equal diameters. So you have this. It's going to be a straight line. So you can also be asked to draw the development of pipe B. So all you need to do is you just count off each of this radii. So you count them up. So I'll just look for some of them. I'll pick a point, start from there. So measure the radii from there. So you can just pack stuff from here. So if you are asked to develop it, you will just use the same method you've been seeing me doing in the other videos in this course. So I'll just go for the 5 because there's no space for the rest. So for this one, so I'll take it up to the first one. So I'm just doing a part development for B. So for cylinder B. So you can, this is not just 5, it goes to 12. So I just do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there's a fifth one here. 5. Just did 5 divisions. This is the fifth one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So actually their first space is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I just did 4 divisions out of 12 so as to show part. So basically if we call this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you start from 0. For this 0 we have this point here on this, for this one. So actually we start from 0. So for 0 it's actually here. 0 is at the edges. 0. This for 0. Then for 1 we have 1 at here. Then for 2 we have 2 here. Then for 3 we have 3 at the bottom. Then you should know that this 4 is also the other side of 2, so it will still be the length of 2. So you get it. So let me just draw the partial curve. Draw a straight line through the partial curve. Then you line in with your French curve. So you can also complete the development. That's if you are drawing this too, you can complete the development. So I have this here. Join this to this point. Then I'll join it to this point. So here we go. So this is a part development of this. But the main thing I want to bring out of this drawing is the line of intersection of the two cylindrical pipe of same diameter. Thanks for watching.